All right, so here you go. Here is your Pizza Heart. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my pizza channel. It's the Pizza Guy John, and today I'm going to be making a piece of my heart. It's Valentine's Day. I'm going to be making a Pizza Heart. It's just going to be red sauce and pepperonis. The dough that I'm going to be using is my 50% Polish at 70% hydration. I have the Ooni Koda 16. It's been preheating now for about 60 minutes, so let's go and take a look at that. So we're looking right in the center, about 844 in the middle. So let's go ahead and get our dough and let's get some light on here. So let's go ahead and let's get this shaped. All right, so if you've ever made a heart-shaped pizza, pretty simple, but also a little difficult. So we're gonna go ahead and just go through this, and I'm gonna just do a voiceover of this part, so follow along.
Alright, so the first things first, you're going to want to go ahead and get your dough out.
Okay.
And then you're going to go ahead and flop that down into your semolina, flour, or semolina / flour mixture. And stretch away.
Okay.
At this point, go ahead and grab your pill, flour it up, and we begin to shape. Slide the pizza onto your pill, and we start from the bottom and work all the way up to the top. So make sure that you are pinching the bottom, squeezing that, and then you want to basically just work from the top, so that way you're able to get the curves of the pizza and shape it to how you choose. As you can see here, I am pinching it to get the bottom pointy, and yeah, it looks good there. So just make sure that again you shape it to how you choose.
All right, so there you go. This is your pizza heart. And again, not all hearts are created the same, but we'll get it cooled down and then we'll take a look at it closely. So we'll be back shortly. All right, so here you go. Here is your pizza heart. Tag someone down below or share with someone that has a piece of your heart. Again, you could do as much in different kinds of toppings, any type of toppings as you choose. I went with pepperonis to make it more look like a heart. As you can see, here's a little curve here, little thick heart, but again, not everyone's heart is shaped the same. So definitely give it a try. Let me know what you think. Check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John. And follow along for my journey as I make pizzas. Here's the bottom so that everyone could take a look at that. Bottom is nice and cooked well. And so, yeah, if you like what you see, again, like and subscribe, turn that bell notification, and we'll talk soon.